Tumbad, a man-made universe which we witnessed for the first time in cinema. 23 years ago, Rahi Anil Barve wrote the first draft of this film, which seemed impossible visually. And after a lot of struggles, he found Anand Gandhi, who was fascinated with the story. And then their creative team added their perspectives to the film, which is why we call it a masterpiece now. As if Tumbad was getting nurtured year by year, the film that gave us the best theatre experience, the making of a story that turned out to be an inspiration to all of us. This video is dedicated to this fine work of art, as we try to connect it with elements of science which we have seen in many films, but Tumbad is among the few ones who executed it very well. This video contains major spoilers, so if you haven't watched the film,
तू तैयार नहीं हुआ अभी?
the most haunting part in the film was the 400-year-old great-grandmother, who was the victim of the curse of Hastar. So was it a boon or really a curse? Which brings us to our first point, that is of immortality and salvation. Various paradoxes have defined immortality in human beings, especially in metaphysics, and it was executed very well in Tumbad. Just recall the scene where Vinayak returns to the village in search of the treasure, where he has a small chat with his immortal grandmother who is rooted within a tree now. Indirectly, she has been absorbed by the environment, and immortality, which is said to be a boon, has turned out to be no less than suffering for her. She has experienced the pain of being an immortal human being, and now she demands salvation. Also remember, she is the exact mirror to our character, Vinayak, might be the first and last lady of the house who went inside Devaki Coke. Which brings us to our second element, the womb, as in Devaki Coke. The womb here is directly a metaphor to the earth and the treasure as its resources. As per the mythological narrative, the firstborn was Hastar among all gods and goddesses. If we connect the point with reality, the belief of gods comes with an undefined universe and cosmic development. And Hastar is the fallen god as in demon, which will find its existence in every mythologies across the world. However, in a most surprising way, Hastar finds its similarities with the Greek mythology, specifically with an ancient god Mammon.
कोई 2-3 साल अपनी धोती में रह, करवा देंगे तेरी शादी.
और तब तक
The last part of our video talks about the predators and survivors, which Anand Gandhi himself mentioned in one of his recent interviews. Post the first half, we see Pandurang following in the footsteps of his father Vinayak, and is all set to be the next predator. However, in a scene where Vinayak gives his son an access to the gold he has collected so far, and when Pandurang replies,
इतना सारा सोना तो जिंदगी भर चलेगा.
तू बिल्कुल नहीं जैसा. उसे ही लगता था राहुल पूरी जिंदगी कट जाएगी.
Vinayak recalls his mother as he sees her within his son, only until a spine-chilling climax scene, where Vinayak gets attacked by Hastas and now he's too a part of the curse, and where Pandurang declines the cloth bag offered by Vinayak. Indirectly, he declines to be the next predator, and we see a smile on Vinayak's face, as if he saw his mother once again in his son. For those unaware, the film also had alternate endings, but the ending we had was nothing more than perfect for this masterpiece. So, that was our ode to Tumbad.